traders gold. Now if you have a look at my videos or my trade ideas here, I posted this one, and in this trade idea I was talking about waiting for this to pull back for a potential entry. Now it just hasn't retraced yet, guys, so there's no trade at this point. Let's just go out of here, and I want to show you where I'm at with this. I'm not going to be getting involved up at this level, and I really want to see a decent pullback. Right, this is, I mean, we're trading into all-time highs, and yeah, I mean, look, we're seeing a little bit of a move back in here, but the kind of thing that I want is that. So if we just take this measured move, give or take, look, okay, give or take, right, but that's the kind of move that I'm waiting on, and that's when I'll be looking to get involved with this. Okay, so I want that off this level, all right, and that coincides with a Fibonacci pullback. Let's have a look at it now on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, I mean, look at this trend, guys. I just want to point something out to you. Watch this. Here we go. Look, okay, from way back. Just notice how steep this trend is. Really steep. Pull back, stop, run. But have a look at that versus lower high, equal highs. Okay, so the momentum has dropped right off. And so, you know, when a trend is really long in the tooth like this, you just want to be really careful. You don't want to be buying into that, because we can see clearly that, you know, there's a potential pullback coming, possibly, not guaranteed. Look, for all I know, it could just break structure and we're off. Here's the thing. If it breaks this level and we get that, I'll get involved again, but I need to see the trend running at, you know, the higher highs, higher low. Look, here we go. See this? These highs, 45-degree angle, higher highs, right? Higher lows, 45-degree angle. Let's just check it out, right? So, you know, before I get involved long, that's what it has to give me. And at the moment, we've got equal highs, and, you know, that is not running at a 45-degree angle. So, you know, I get involved possibly if it breaks the high, but where are we? You know, I'd have to see. They're going to do it? No, it's not. I'd have to see these highs running at a 45-degree angle. You know, higher high, higher low. I want to see the momentum behind it. If I don't get it, you know, I'm not getting involved. So what I'm really hoping for here is this pullback. I want to see it drop back down into these levels. So let me just clear everything we've got. Well, 4-hour, let's just mark up some really important levels here. Daily, yeah, okay. Well, you know, grab these lows. All right, that's that. Go down to the 4-hour again. Yeah, look, I mean, we've got this swing point here, low to high, right? And, you know, equal high through here. So, yeah, a pull back down into 50 to 61.8 would definitely get me interested, but I'm not buying at a premium. Got to come back down into a discount. We have a bullish imbalance. That's a target for this. All right, so there's one-sided trading here. I want to see it come back down into that. Look, guys, look at this pullback here. Okay, let's measure that, give or take. Even if we, you know, reduce it, okay, it's not out of the question. So I want to get involved around here. So that's my take on gold. Definitely comment below, guys. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. See you in the next one.